is heartening to note that finally people have started giving a lot of attention to issues like environmental degradation, climate change, greenhouses effects, etc. Balochstan is also suffering from such kind of factors, not of our own fault, but obviously it's a global issue, so we get affected from that. Be that the floods of 2022, the drought that we are currently witnessing in Gwadar and the adjoining areas, or soil erosion, all these phenomena are impacting us adversely. Realizing this, we have tried to mitigate the situation at our own level. We have created a climate change fund. This year we are the first ones to do that, and we intend using the proceeds of that fund to provide resources to all those initiatives that we have currently undertaken. Our first project will be launched in this year in December regarding mangroves. We have about 40,000 acres of land. We want to expand it to around 85,000, and we have invited the private sector to partner with us in this regard. And we also intend to earn carbon credits from that project. In the pipeline, we have a large project for rangeland management, the solid waste management programs in Quetta and beyond, also the utilization of low BTU gas to offset coal and other elements that affect the environment, and also to produce more fertilizer for this green revolution. All these efforts are meant to mitigate environmental degradation and at the same time also equip the government of Balochistan to create resources for its own. The purpose of this conference obviously is to change notes with all the relevant stakeholders that are in this particular activity. We also want to do the networking bit to create relationships with the national and international organizations. While we have allocated our own resources, we do realize that we lack in skill set, in knowledge and in expertise, and that is what we require from the international and national partners. My request to the participants of this conference is that please shake hands with us. In many areas, in many activities, we have a manual list of almost 16 to 18 different proposals and projects. Your partnership will be very valuable to us, and I wish you the best of luck for the successful end of this conference. Thank you very much.